Hi, I know it's been a while since I've posted any videos with the Bribri, and I promise I have a lot more to share very soon. I had just been camping with friends, and when they decided to go home, I decided to catch the end of morel season and camp alone.
That is the only way into this camp spot. I love this when I'm solo camping, having a quiet spot to be alone and safe. Up here on the hilltop. Coda girl. Hi, baby girl. I'll have a little fire soon. So yeah, all to myself.
I bought baby chainsaw because I camp sometimes where there's been previous fires and a little wind can bring a tree down, blocking the road. And I've found I really use it often for firewood. And here we go. I'm going to review this awesome little biolite brand fire pit. It's fully charged and you can see I just powered it on and it begins to blow fresh air through the metal tubes.
She forgot to put the legs up. A little noisier than the last time I tried this. So I put some different wood in. Someone left it at this campsite. So I threw some of that in. I've got it a little taller than these bars here, which is recommended not to go higher than that. And you can see it is creating quite a bit of smoke. I mean, not a ton, but it's not smokeless when it's above those bars, and possibly when I don't have when it's not turned on, when the fan's not on. So let me see if that makes a difference. Blowing some ash. Well, I don't see any smoke. I think that took the smoke away. Even though it is just slightly higher than those bars, it's not higher than the grate, the mesh. Yeah, that looks pretty good to me. Take it back down to 1. And still smokeless. All right, good to know. I mean, it's 8:30, but I may have started this too soon. because that is really cranking out some heat. And it's been a warm day. Okay, so what happens if I turn this down to 1? A nice slow burn. What if I turn it off? Nice and quiet.
The smokeless feature works by using patented airflow technology, and 51 little air jets inject the fire with oxygen, improving combustion and reducing smoke, so you can enjoy the warmth, smell, crackle, and all the good feels of a fire without the smoke, giving away your secret location.
Okay, so we grilled some salmon and whatnot the other night. Tonight I'm just doing a camp meal, a backpacking meal, and I'm going to use my little stove because I can. Yep, there's the legs. I don't even use them. I mean, I would if I thought I needed to. So this is about 2 cups. Let's see. Oh, wow, that smells amazing. The cilantro, the lime. My mouth is watering.
Basically, you just want to have something stashed away, like 2 or 3 things, in case you don't get the opportunity to stop at a store.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
I've been minivan camping for some time now and am preparing for a more full-time hashtag van life. This here is a 2004 Dodge Grand Caravan that got me through the Idaho snowpocalypse. She's just a beast in the snow with her powerful V6 front-wheel drive. You can get an all-wheel drive minivan, but I find two-wheel drive is just fine if you're experienced driving on back roads. Though I did get stuck one time on the way to Last Chance Hot Springs. I've taken the seats out, and with just blankets and a sleeping bag, I have the perfect bed for me and my furry friends. In these photos from a different trip, I can show you I have a 12 by 12 net tent that opens on 2 sides, So I back into one side and pull it up over the minivan, giving me an extra little room, which is nice for shade or when it rains. But I admit I've been a little scared camping alone at night, and I usually clean up and settle inside after sunset, tucked in, all safe and secure. I've practiced and found I don't pull that back door down quickly enough in an emergency, like if a bear or mountain lion were to come along. So I do close the back completely when I'm ready to relax and not be so vigilantly listening and aware of my surroundings. And before we end this video, let's just get back to our biolite fire pit experience. Okay, here are some of my observable pros and cons. What do you think? Questions or comment below. I'd love to hear from you. We woke to an absolutely stunning sunrise, found a few more morels, and we were off to our next adventure.